To set up a dynamic background, you will need the X and B menu. There is a video on how to do this in the top right corner. First, click the link in the description. Then click Code, click Download Zip. It's about 513 megabytes. Then extract it. Right click, click Extract All. Then click Extract. Once that's done, save it to your RetroArch folder. Create a new folder inside of that and call it Wallpapers. Then move that folder to the Wallpapers folder. And you can see there's a bunch of files in there. Now open RetroArch. Go to Settings, go down to Directory, then go to Dynamic Backgrounds. Go to where you save that wallpaper folder. Then choose the one you want to try first. Then save current configuration. Now turn on dynamic backgrounds in user interface. Turn off the menu shader pipeline. Change the color to legacy red. And change the frame buffer occupancy to 0.1, but leave the background at 1.0. Now save it. And then restart RetroArch, and it will look like a dynamic background.